today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a CRM in Airtable. We'll be creating a simple but effective customer relationship management system inside Airtable by starting with a new base, organizing the core data you need, and then shaping it into something your sales process can actually use day to day. The goal here is to build a setup that helps you track companies, the people you speak with, and the deals or opportunities connected to them, all in one place. First, go to Airtable and open your workspace. From there, create a new base. This base will become the foundation of your CRM. So think of it as the main container for everything related to your sales pipeline and customer records. If you want to move faster, you can use Airtable AI to help generate the initial structure. This is a great option because it can instantly suggest tables and fields based on the kind of system you're trying to build, saving time and giving you a strong starting point. Once the base is ready, set up the main tables for companies, contacts, and opportunities. These three tables are the core of the CRM. The companies table is where you'll store the businesses or organizations you work with. The contacts table is for the individual people inside those companies, such as decision makers or points of contact. The opportunities table is where you'll track potential deals, sales conversations, and revenue opportunities. After creating those tables, link them together so the relationships are clear. For example, a contact should be connected to a company and an opportunity should be linked to the relevant company or contact. This is one of the biggest advantages of Airtable as a CRM tool because it lets you connect related information instead of keeping everything in isolated spreadsheets. When your records are linked, it becomes much easier to understand who belongs to which company and which deals are currently active. Next, customize your views so the data is easier to manage. A Kanban view is especially useful for tracking lead stages or deal progress, since you can visually move opportunities from one stage to another. Grid views are also helpful when you want a clean spreadsheet-style layout for quick editing and reviewing records. Finally, create interfaces for sales dashboards. This gives you a more polished and user-friendly way to view your CRM data, especially if you want a clear overview of leads, contacts, and opportunities without digging through every table manually. Keep your layout simple at first, then refine it as your process becomes clearer. That's how to build a CRM in Airtable from the ground up.